Hello everyone, I am Linda from the Fader team, and today I'm going to show you how to add text to your interactive Fader stories. Just in general, with text you can navigate through your 360 stories. For example, you can use text at the beginning of the story as a menu, or you can use it for credits at the ending of the story. And the cool thing with Fader is that you have a web-based platform where you can change, add and delete text even after you had published your story. I'm going to show you how to do it.
Okay, so you log into Fader and create a new story. And within the Fader editor, you are in your first scene and you can pick a 360 image or an environment like this one or like that one. Then you go to text or title card, and the text feature opens up even more features specifically available for your text block. And here you can add a headline and a body. And they can be longer, but for our purpose we just keep it short. You can add a frame to your text, you can add a background color to your text, you can change the colors of the frame, the text and the background color. You can reposition your text, you can make it larger, smaller. And another cool thing is that you can add as many text cards into a specific scene as you want. And for each text card, you basically have the same options, and you can reposition each text card individually. So this one can go to the back so that when users are turning around, they see the info, who the story is by and who it was directed by. Another cool thing is that you can duplicate already existing text cards, so you don't need to rewrite them again. They can be repositioned and designed individually. And you can add more text blocks to the same scene, and if you want to use a 360 photo or a video in the background of your text, you can do so as well. Quick and easy with Fader.
You can add text in any of your scenes in Fader as a guide through your story. Please let us know if you have any questions regarding Fader or our work at Fragments, or if you want to contact us, please do so. I will link all the necessary info and contacts down below. And if you are looking for a specific tutorial regarding Fader, please let us know and we can work on it. And we hope to see you soon on Fader.